Ever wondered how to get your YouTube videos to reach more viewers? Well, my friends, the secret lies in a powerful tool called the Keyword Planner. This handy little gem is all about search engine optimization, or SEO for short. It's the magic behind the scenes that helps your videos get discovered by the right people at the right time. Here's the scoop. Keyword Planner helps you find those high-earning, high-traffic keywords that viewers are searching for. These are known as high CPM and RPM keywords. By including these in your video descriptions, tags and titles, you're giving your content a boost, making it more likely to pop up in search results. Think of it as your personal guide, leading you through the vast wilderness of YouTube, ensuring your videos don't get lost in the crowd. It's like having a secret code, unlocking the potential of your content. So, ready to dive deeper into the power of Keyword Planner? Let's move on. Navigating the Keyword Planner might seem daunting, but fear not. Today we're going to walk you through the process of using this powerful tool step by step. So let's dive in. Kick things off by accessing the Keyword Planner. You'll find it nestled within your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, it's free to set up and the process is quite straightforward. Once you've logged in, head over to the Tools and Settings tab and select Keyword Planner. This will serve as your launchpad into the world of keyword exploration. Now, let's talk about inputting your desired keywords. You'll see a box labeled Discover New Keywords. Click on it and type in your keyword ideas. These could be topics related to your video content, phrases you think your audience might be searching for, or even the title of your upcoming video. After you've entered your keywords and hit the Get Results button, it's time to interpret the results. You'll be presented with a plethora of data, but don't be intimidated. Focus on the AVG monthly searches and competition columns. High search volume and low competition is the golden combination we're after. Now, let's delve into the world of high CPM and RPM keywords. CPM stands for cost per meal, and RPM represents revenue per meal. In simple terms, these are keywords that advertisers are willing to pay more for, which can result in higher earnings for you. Examples could be insurance, loans, mortgage, or attorney. However, remember, the key to better video visibility isn't solely about high CPM and RPM keywords. It's equally important to use relevant, high-quality keywords that resonate with your content and your audience. After all, what good is visibility if it doesn't reach the right people? So, consider your audience, your content, and your goals when choosing your keywords. Experiment, analyze your results, and tweak your strategy as you go. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making the most of Keyword Planner. Let's recap the major points about Keyword Planner. This powerful tool is your ally in the world of search engine optimization, helping you find the right keywords that can increase your video's visibility on YouTube. Remember, it's not just about finding any keywords, but the ones with high cost per mil and revenue per mil. These keywords are the golden tickets, promising better monetization and higher viewer engagement. Using the Keyword Planner is a breeze. You can easily navigate through its features, analyze keyword data, and make informed decisions to optimize your content. And let's not forget, it's about finding relevant and quality keywords. The right keywords can make your video stand out in the sea of content, improving its visibility and reach. With the Keyword Planner tool, your videos are now set to reach a wider audience than ever before.